Hey, how's it going, y'all? So here we go with another unboxing. So this one here is a cool luxury Shiatsu V-spring massaging pillow with heat. So again, the company's called Zyllion. Hope I pronounced that right. It comes in either red or brown. I went ahead with the red color. Here, let's show the box here. Top quality leatherette. Multi-directional massage. Cushiony pillow front. Overheat protection, of course, that's pretty cool, right? Shuts off after 20 minutes. And there's the cover. So the flap, I'll show you in a little bit. And here's the V-spring tension design. Here we go with the unboxing here. Ooh, wow, look at this red color. Oh man. There's a lot more red than I thought. From the this may be a brown then, I guess. I kind of thought it was like a maroon red, but yeah, I guess this is the brown model. So here's the pillow. The weight is not too bad. It's not really heavy at all, actually. Here, I'll just take it out of the plastic here. Here's the power button. And here's a pretty cool design, as you can see. And here's the little flap that they're talking about. I assume you would just unflap this if you really want to use it for like maybe your neck. There's a cute wooden button here. That's pretty cool. This is actually a really nice design, and I love the smell of this leatherette. And as you can see, here's the massager. I doubt. So I don't think it has built-in battery. It would be cool if it did, but then it'll be a lot heavier, right? Let me open this up here to power. So it comes with a car charger, so if you want to keep this in your car. And here's the home power. Let's open this up for you here. So again, this model is the ZMA20 in red. And I think, you know, on this side, it doesn't really hurt you. So if you put it on your couch and someone accidentally bumps into it, I don't think it'll hurt themselves, which is good, right? And then, okay, I'll plug it in and let's get this thing going here. I'll have to read the instructions to see if there's a separate button for the heat, or it just heats no matter what. That I don't know. Okay, so power button's not right here. Look at that. Can you see in the video? Let's see, I push it again. Oh, okay, so you push it again, then there's no heat. So whenever you see that red light inside, let's bring it a little closer here. See, there goes the heat. So let's do a long press. Long press to turn it off. Oh yeah, see, it's like two balls and they rotate. And there's of course two balls on this side. And just, yeah, it does almost like you know, a Shiatsu massage. So as you can see, here's the button. It's nice, maybe bamboo. Here's the stitching. The stitching is really nice. Here's the power button. Look at that. That's a nice touch, right? Okay. So if you have any questions, you know, leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this, I would definitely give you an answer. I could tell a lot of these, I'm not really into massages that much. My wife is, so it'll be good for her. And look at this, it has a nice rubber label right here of the company. That's a very nice touch. And looks like there's a zipper here, so you can actually unzip this and wash it, which is good too. So here's the flap you could turn off, and I assume it'll work through it. Maybe that's more for if you just want to do like your back or your legs or something. But if you want to do your neck, then you probably unbutton it. All right. So if you have, again, just give me a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, again, this is the ZMA20 in red from company Zyllion. Alright, have a good day.